Hey guys, as you can see, this is going to be a long one that you guys want. So, let's do this. As you guys know, I also have to add storytelling in every single relaxing sounds video, so let's think of something. Okay, I got it. You're walking through a tournament. You stop at the video game tournament section, I don't know. So you sit down and you are playing the game. And you unfortunately lose the first round. But turns out that somebody else cheated who actually made it through. So that means there's one spot open. And what do you know? That spot goes to you. So you're in the next round and you're playing Roblox this time, Roblox Panic. And since you guys watch my videos, and some of you might know that I play Panic, you get through with ease. You grab the items off the shelves, and you escape the Panic guy. I don't know, Happy I think his name is. And you escape. And now you're in the finals against this guy named Goofy. Yes, I got it from this poster, but who cares? Let's go. You're against Goofy, and you're playing rock, paper, scissors. What do you choose? Rock, paper, scissors. You see that when he is at scissors, he lifts up his two fingers before he says shoot. So, what do you think he's gonna do? Scissors. Yep. So what are you gonna do? That's right. You go rock, and you beat him, and you win a trophy. At the end. Any video with the storytelling is already going to be a long video, but it's going to be a longer video because of the sticks. Now, you guys love this one, and being honest, I love it too. I think this might be one of my favorites. Actually, it might be the favorite. So, pick a number 1 through 17. No way. Okay, so I've only picked like 7 on screen, and who would have known that it would have been the same one? Did you pick 17? Okay. If you did pick 17, give yourself a point. Now, I have an idea. Actually, get rid of that point now. I'm going to be playing with you. Pick a number 1 through 17. I pick 2. What do you pick? Okay, be honest. Pick this one. It's literally just my name. So I guess that means I get a point, right? No. Archer. Okay, let's go then. I still pick 2. What do you pick? Did you pick 1? If you picked 1, you get a point. And the goal of this game is to beat me by the end. Did you pick 1? Let's go. Also, the 2 one is smaller than the other ones. So, I guess I'll repick. I'll pick 6. What do you guys pick? Did you pick 4? Wait, is this 4 or is it 9? I'm gonna keep looking. Oh, did you pick 9? Wait, They're the same color too. That's weird. Did you pick 9? Okay, let's go again. Okay. I lost, but did you pick 15? 15. How many points do you have so far? I don't know if that's beating these. Probably is, because I'm at 0. Let's go again. I'm sticking with 6. What do you pick? My name again. Wait. Okay, it's 2, but it crossed out 6. So is there an actual 6 here? Wait, this is... Did you pick 2? You probably didn't. Fine, so if I stuck with 2, I probably would have won. This time, I'm getting rid of 6. I'm going for 12. What are you guys going for? 9 again. How many points do you have? I still have 0. Sticking with 12. What are you going with? My name again. I keep picking my name. Did you pick 10? I might have broken it. I don't think I did. Let's go. Okay. I'm sticking with 12. What do you pick? 1 away. 11. Did you pick 11? How many points are you at? Let's go again. Sticking with 12 again. What are you picking? 6. The actual 6. So I stuck with 2. Then I went to 6 and got a 2. Then I swapped to 12 and got a 6. It's gonna be next. Hey, Mom. You pick 6. How many points do you have? I'm gonna go with 7 this time. Bam. Yeah, I got a point. I'm on the board. I thought I was gonna pick 12 right after that. Did you pick 7 with me? Hopefully not. How many points do you have? Pick another number. I'm gonna pick 5. No way. It's right here. Right here. 5. This is awesome. 2 points. But surely I can't get it 3 times in a row, right? 16. What do you pick? 6. Yes. I think 6 has been called, what, 3 times? No, twice. How many points do you have? Maybe this time I'm higher. Let's go for 8. Solid 8. 10 again. I don't think they've called 8 yet, or 1. Wait a second, there might not be an 8. Yeah, I don't remember there being an 8. One sec. I'm gonna look through this. There's 1, 2. Oh, never mind. There's 8. There is an 8. I'm gonna stick with it. No pun intended. 8. 4. How many points do you have? Still 8. 4 again. What are the chances of it being the same one twice? 8 again. If I pick 4 one more time, I'm going to... Oh, yeah. I thought it was... I was about to pick another one. I thought that was 4. 8. So I have 30 points. Wait, I got 6, 7, and 8, I think. Did I? I think I got 12, 7, and 8. Alright, let's go then. I pick 1. What do you pick? Okay, I think I'm cheating now. What the heck? I got 2 in a row twice. How is this possible? Like, I think I'm cheating now. I literally do not understand. Did you pick 1? I have 5 now. This is like insane. I literally have no idea how that's possible. If anybody knows, can you tell me in the comments, what are the chances of that? I almost forgot to pick. I'm gonna go with the solid 15. It's 3. Did you pick 3? Alright, we're gonna do one last one, and then we're gonna count up our scores. Pick a number. Actually, pick 5 numbers, 1 through 17. I'm gonna pick 7. I'm gonna pick 7, 8, 12. Wait, no, scrap that. I'm gonna go for everything that I picked with. So 2, 6, 12, 8. And then I have one more. I got lucky with 7. So 2, 6, 7, 12, 8. Wait, 2, 6, 7, 8, 12. What do you pick? Keep those 5 numbers in your mind. And I'm going to pick 5 sticks. No, actually, I'm going to pick 10 sticks. And however many are your number, count that many points. First stick is 14. Did you pick 14? Or one of your numbers, 14? Keep that there. Next up, we have 13. Did you pick 13? And we still have 8 more left to pick. 5. None of mine yet. Did you pick 5? 17. Did you pick 17? Oh, let's go again. 9. None of mine so far. We got a 9. 5 left. It's a 6. So okay. I got 6 as my 6th point. I'm not looking at the live, sorry, I was like, okay. My name, did you pick my, no, I'm not counting that. Imagine if all 5 of yours weren't picked. 1. That was the one I was trying to go for, but I accidentally picked 7. Okay, so we have 3, 7, 3 more. Two. Also, you don't have to keep track of these 10. I'll keep track for you, but you have to keep track of your other points. 2 more. Yeah, we got an 8. Alright, 1 more. Bam! Let's go! 7. That is a 7 right there. That's a 7 if I've ever seen one. Let's go. Okay, so now let's look over the ones that weren't called. 15, 10, 16, 4, 11, 3, and 12. And then the archer stick, and then the messed up 2 stick. Okay, now, if you had 14 as one of yours, give yourself a point. If you had 13 as one of yours, give yourself a point. If you have 5, give yourself a point. If you had 17, give yourself a point. If you had 9, give yourself a point. If you had 6, give yourself a point. If you had 1, give yourself a point. If you had 2, give yourself a point. If you had 8, give yourself a point. And if you have 7, give yourself a point. Now, I'm going to count up my scores, and we're going to see who won. So, I had 5 at the beginning, then I had 6, which is 6, 2, which is 7, 8, which is 8, and 7, which is 9 points. Did I beat you? Tell me in the comments. Thanks for playing with me. Hope you have a great rest of your day. See you in the next video. Goodbye.